Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I've got some breaking news for you about Crypto.com and specifically CRONOS and CRONOS Labs. A huge new announcement, something to get a lot more exposure to this. Really, it's only a 2-year-old DeFi chain that is really just getting started. And so adoption can still come to this thing. It is in the top 10 of total value locked up when you look at all of DeFi and crypto. So that's pretty spectacular, but we are getting more partnerships. I've got a most recent one with South Korea that we got to talk about today and what the impact might be on this and what my thoughts are right now, given the price action on CRO, which isn't exactly where we'd love it to be, but these are accumulation opportunities. I did a video earlier on Bitcoin, and I do believe, guys, this is an incredible accumulation opportunity for all of crypto, especially some of these blue chips like Crypto.com, like Binance, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, some of your other favorite chains out there, possibly even some of the large meme coins like Shiba Inu and Doge that have been around. You could argue Pepe, all these different things. But for Crypto.com and CRONOS, I think there's a very valid reason to be bullish on this because the ecosystem is still growing and this new announcement is pretty big. Let's get into it. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel, guys. We're doing 5 videos every day for you. And at 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber, so don't miss out on that. Now, first of all, guys, this market cap is just flat into the side. Now, Bitcoin's down a little bit, but altcoins came, the overall market cap's just 1.1 trillion, just stuck there. I feel like it's been there for weeks now, probably the last 3 weeks it's been there. Now, when you look at Bitcoin, we're below 27,000, but let's talk CRONOS. CRONOS is struggling, guys, just at the bottom of 6 cents, $1.5 billion. We've been between $1.5 billion and $1.9 billion for the last 3 months, just really consistently bleeding, except for some of these big pieces of news, which shows you people are ready to react to news. Well, here is a new piece of news, which we didn't really get a pump off of, interestingly enough. Announcement by CRONOS Chain. We are thrilled to be selected by the City of Seoul as the main blockchain network for SWF 2023. Join us, CROFam, at Korea's first ever CRONOS-enabled hackathon, July 31st to August 2nd. So here you go. They've got a Web3 festival going on. They are selected by the City of Seoul as the main blockchain network. This is fantastic to see. A very big population in South Korea. Clearly, right now, the Asian countries are adopting cryptocurrency even more so than the West, right? America right now is falling behind. That's why we see so many conversations about the Biden administration and policy on crypto, the recent announcement with the whole debt ceiling and Joe Biden rejecting any policy that is favorable to crypto traders. Then you also have, on the other hand, some other politicians like Robert Kennedy and some others in the Republican side that are taking Bitcoin donations. So we've got a very interesting dynamic going on, but it's good to see, well, crypto's hot in Asia, CRONOS Chain is getting involved in some of those communities. So this could be a big piece for growth. And this is something that we love to see. And at the end of the day, guys, the more utility the CRO token gets, and by the way, this is utility because CRONOS Chain uses CRO to end up doing transactions on the network. This is good, guys. This is bullish. These are the things we look out for. But we have to admit, look at the price of CRO versus Bitcoin right now, and that's something you got to consider. You do not want to lose value in your crypto portfolio when it comes to losing Bitcoin value, right? If you look at your overall portfolio, how much is that worth? Is it worth 1 Bitcoin? Is it worth 2? Is it worth 10? Is it worth 0.5? And is that increasing over time or is that decreasing? You want tokens that increase your BTC balance, guys. In my opinion, it's not financial advice. And right now, unfortunately, CRO is not doing that for us. But when you zoom out, I do have a very strong belief that not only we get back up to $1 CRO, but CRO versus Bitcoin is just at a really weak spot. And eventually, I believe we get back up to the top of this channel. We talk about it so many times. I think there's still a 600% rise for the price of CRO versus Bitcoin coming. We still might have a little bit of downside before we get there. But guys, I am bullish. Why? Because look at all the things that CRONOS is doing. Partnerships with Amazon, partnerships with Samsung. You have partnerships now with a country, South Korea. You have a lot more coming. Crypto.com's putting options out, right? You can now do options trading essentially in Bitcoin and Ethereum on the Crypto.com app. They still haven't launched their exchange in America. There's so many things coming down the pipeline, guys. It leads me to be bullish, not to mention most of the big cryptos, the popular ones, the ones that are stick around for a long time, and I believe that Crow is one of them, will not only reach their previous all-time highs, but shatter through it. And Crow was at 97 cents. That leaves me bullish. I've got a lot of Crow. I will share with you how much Crow I have at some point. But right now, I like to keep it a mystery for my community. But I got a big bag of Crow. We're not sponsored by Crypto.com. Wouldn't mind being, but we're just not. We just believe in what we believe in. We talk about meme coins. We talk about Bitcoin. We talk about Crypto.com. We talk about it all. I want everybody to make money. This isn't financial advice, but it is an honest take on what me and my partner on the channel, Black C's, opinions are on crypto, leading into a bull market where I believe millionaires will be made. Do you think that you have a chance of being a millionaire in the next bull market? If so, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite projects are, and let me know if you like this video, guys. Smash up a like, subscribe to the channel. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget, guys, as always, remember to DCA and HODL. And of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check it out. Peace.